Alright, so been doing some more work on the van. If you're thinking that's bright shiny steel, you are correct. Been working on this floor mainly, and when I say that, it's kind of in a mid-process of this. See, I've got some paper templates cut out for the steel that I need to cut. So this one here will have to be the piece that replaces this right here. This one here will be what goes in here. And then this piece here, you look in through there, there was a piece of the floor there right next to that wheel well that had some rot in it. I also got a little spot here where when I went through and buffed this floor down, it left a spot, and that's just making it honest there. And then all this other stuff I've had soaking in muriatic acid, and you can find good videos on that. Some of you might be aware of my friend Pete. He has DIY Auto School. He does a pretty good video on muriatic acid use. You do want to make sure you use respirator, gloves, anything to protect your skin, because it will burn. It is a pure acid. And I did a big section here yesterday from about here to about there, and then part of these drop-offs right here, and it really cleaned up very nicely. You can see the pitting here. That's just a little bit of residue from the baking soda when I neutralized it, and it was pretty bad here. It was just very crusty. You have to knock the crust loose, so you have to go through, scrape it if you can, and then I went through with the sanding bit on the grinder, and the one I speak of is these. That's kind of the buffing wheel where it's got that attached to it. And then I went through the rest of the floor. I buffed down the welds over here, and they are pretty smooth. They do need some touch-up spots, like right here, and a little bit of that there. It's not deathly important that this is cosmetically perfect, because it will be covered. But we want to get rid of the rust and anything that'll come back and bite you later. And then I'll even go underneath it and clean that up before I go putting the gas tank back in. And so all that will need to be buffed down real good and made nice. Clean all this up over here, and then we'll put the tank back in at some point. So I did do a little bit of the muriatic acid in here. I had to stop. It was getting late last night, so I neutralized it and then let it be, as well as the corners and all the little intricate stuff there. But I'll work on that and get this one as well, and then we'll get our pieces welded in, and then we'll just try to get everything ready here and on that side, and try to get the belly back on it. Sometimes you bounce around out of necessity when you're doing these projects. Sometimes you do get carried away with one other aspect, and it'll derail you a little bit, but I've gotten a little bit better with age on that. So I'll try to get this floor straightened out, and then that side, and that's kind of be where we need to stop it right there, and then before we go do anything else. So just stay tuned for that. Any suggestions, any feedback. Don't have a lot of views yet, really at all, but I don't expect any right now. So it just started. I'm new to this. I'll try to get editing and all that, make it a little bit more pleasurable to watch. So thanks for checking it out, and wish us luck on it.